will know the stand, the historical and present stand of Nepal and Nepalese about border dispute. सम्पूर्ण राष्ट्रभक्त नेपालीहरुमा म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कि यो भिडियोलाई सक्दो शेयर गर्नुहोला ताकि विश्वले बुझ्न सकोस् कि नेपाल के हो र नेपाली को हो. Long live my nation till the life of sun and moon. Namaste. It's me Ramesh Prasai from Nepal, the country of brave Gorkha warriors, the motherland of Lord Buddha, the land of highest mountain of world, Mount Everest, and a solo independent country since its rise, and also the senior most country of South Asia. And you are feeling proud to capturing their borders who died, fought and suffered for your borders. And in nowadays also the Chinese soldiers kicking the Indian soldiers in border. India cannot do anything with China, so some Indians want to impose the inferiority complex towards China in Nepal. 1827 after Anglo-Gorkha War, 1856 and 1905, at first study those maps and discuss. Mr. Goswami, I am blind by birth, but fortunately you have visual power. Why don't you utilize that, damn it? Indian media and especially the media persons like Arnab Goswami, they pretend to be nationalist. They pretend to be nationalist. Actually, they are TRPists who modified the truth for their TRP business. At last, I would like to say this loud and clear. The government of Nepal and we all Nepalese are fully assured to get Kala Pani written because Satya Meva Jayate.
तपाईं यति बेला हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ एक्स नेपाल अनलाइन टिभी. तपाईको एक सब्स्क्राइब हाम्रो निम्ति उत्प्रेरणा हो. के हामीलाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्दिनुहुन्छ? नजिकै रहेको बेल आइकन दबाउन पनि नभुल्नुहोस् न है. फेसबुक पेज तथा ग्रुपमा एक्स नेपाल अनलाइन टिभी को कुनै पनि भिडियो डाउनलोड गरेर नहालिदिनु हुन अनुरोध छ. कृपया लिंक शेयर गरिदिनु होला.
Long live my nation till the life of sun and moon. Namaste. It's me Ramesh Prasai from Nepal, the country of brave Gorkha warriors, the motherland of Lord Buddha, the land of highest mountain of world, Mount Everest, and a solo independent country since its rise, and also the senior most country of South Asia. Yes, the senior most country of South Asia. There was not any other internationally recognized state in South Asia before Nepal. If you talk about India, India was never a single country. It was fragmented in many small states such like Bengal, Punjab, Maratha, Mysore, etc., etc. Indians say that Britishers colonized India, but I say that Britishers unified India. So my country never became colonized, and today I am here to answer our Indian friends and especially the Indian media, which is being like a bloody propaganda unit of Adolf Hitler in nowadays. Indian media and especially the media persons like Arnab Goswami, they pretend to be nationalist. They pretend to be nationalist. Actually, they are TRPists who modified the truth for their TRP business. Because nationalism doesn't mean to disrespect other nations. Nationalism doesn't mean to disrespect others' territory and sovereignty. Nationality is not the hypocritism. Mr. Arnab Goswami said that Nepalese would be dreaming if they think that Kalapani and Lipulekh will be theirs. Mr. Goswami, you would be dreaming if you think that Kalapani is your territory and it will be yours. It is our territory and it will be ours. It was never in your territory. I will come to the issue of border and Indian media later, but first of all, I would like to heartily condemn the hypocrite statement, the ungrateful statement of Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane. I had no idea about that. The largest democracy of world, India, has this kind of indiscipline and random protocol in which an army chief speaks about the international political border issue. How ungrateful and repulsive are you, General? Look at your war history. Even Indian media accept that the Gorkha regiment is the best regiment of Indian army. So where are they from? They are the sons of our soil but fought for your soil. From Bhim Bahadur Devan to Major Dhan Singh Thapa, your war history is full of those brave names. And you are feeling proud to capturing their borders who died, fought and suffered for your borders. Don't be over hypocrite, Mr. Manoj Mukunda Narvane. If I want, I can put your arrogance down in 1 second. In 1 second, because I properly know the fact history of Indo-China War in 1962, but I won't do it. I don't want to embarrass you. We Nepalese respect India, Indian army and Indian sovereignty, but you also must respect our sovereignty. Now let's talk about Indian media. I told it earlier, Indian media is being like a bloody propaganda unit of Adolf Hitler who want to modify the truth. But truth is truth and it will never be modified. Indian media said that the Nepal's government working in direction of China. Our country, remember, our country Nepal was never colonized and never in slavery of others. That's your culture, but I don't want to talk about that. You know what the main problem is? The problem is that some Indians, I said some Indians, not all of Indians, some Indians have a psychological problem, a psychological inferiority complex, because in different periods of history, the Indians have bitten by different empires. Sometimes Britishes, they had bitten by different empires, so they have an inferiority complex. Nowadays, they are saying that Nepal's government is working in direction of China. That is because of their inferiority complex to China. Look at the history of 1962 war, how the China defeated India, how the China occupied the 42,000 square kilometer land of India, and in nowadays also the Chinese soldiers kicking the Indian soldiers in border. India cannot do anything with China, so some Indians want to impose the inferiority complex towards China in Nepal. A gimmick nationalist of India, a TRPist of Indian media, Arnab Goswami said that Nepal is trying to occupy the Indian border. No, never. There was not any dispute about Kalapani. This is our territory. You have occupied it and you have made the road. In 1962, during Indo-China War, the Indian government requested Nepal's government, please let us make a defensive position in Kalapani because Chinese can attack us from this side. So the Nepal government accepted the request. Arnab Goswami said that China is nobody's friend, but it seems that Indians are not the good friends. We allowed you to stay in our territory, in Kalapani, because of friendship, because of our helpful culture in wartime. But what did you do? You fully occupied Kalapani and now you have made the Lipulekh Mansarovar road. And you people are saying that Nepal is trying to occupy your territory. Someday, if someday you stay in Mount Everest and you will say that it is ours, will it be yours? Mr. Goswami, at first, complete your research before saying anything in international issue. At first, study the maps which was made in 1827 after Anglo-Gorkha War, 1856 and 1905. At first, study those maps and discuss. Mr. Goswami, I am blind by birth, but fortunately, you have visual power. Why don't you utilize that, damn it? There are many problems in India and China. The border issue, the trading issue, the war in 1962, etc., etc. But we were never involved in that. We are not asking you to give your territory. We just want to save our territory. But because of hypocritic psychology, inferiority complex, which I told you earlier, because of that psychology, you always try to dominate the small nations. Your country is also suffering from that problem, the psychological problem, which caused mob lynching and Hindu-Muslim riots in your country. But I prefer you to visit Nepal, Mr. Goswami. In Nepal, Muslim makes temple and Hindu become involved in Muslim ceremonies. Even the coat which I am wearing is gifted by my Muslim friend Firoz Khan. I can't understand one thing. why the Indians' hearts are burning when we are building the friendly relation with China. Nepal is neither a protected state of India nor a China. It's a sovereign country. It's a free country, and free what since its rise. So Nepal has its own right to decide the foreign policies. You guys don't have to